Now let's start by going into the browser and navigating to ROS bagfiles. So going into ROS wiki.ros.org, ROS tutorial. I'll press here, and now we are going to follow these instructions. So I'll open a terminal first. I'll just take it to the one side, and now I'm going to paste these commands one by one. Second is the turtleism command. We'll start the turtleism node. Now the teleop node. And now, so here we have to make a directory called ROS bagfiles. So I'll make a directory in my home which is ROS bag. So the command for it is mkdir bagfiles. Press enter. So cd bag_files. So I'll go into that directory. So now I'll press ROS bag record-a. I'll press enter. Now, so it has started recording. So this is my turtleism node. I'll press into teleop twist keyboard node. I'll start to move the turtle using the arrow keys. So you can see here I'm moving the turtle using the arrow keys. So okay, now we have moved the turtle, and these messages of the movement of turtle has been saved or recorded by the bagfiles. And now we are going to quit all these things. First of all, we'll quit the turtleism teleop node, then we'll quit the bagfile nodes, then we'll quit the turtleism node, and then we'll quit the ROS core. Now again we'll start the ROS core, and now we'll check the information which is stored in our bagfile. So now this is the name of our bagfile. So ROS bag info. I'll press tab. So now, so you can see here, this is the data which is stored in our bagfile. So for running this, what I'll do, I'll just open our turtleism node once again. So this is our turtleism node, and I'll in this bagfile directory, I'll write a command ROS bag play, and I'll give the name of our bagfile, and I'll press enter. Now here you can see that the message stored has been started running, and after some time you will see when I started moving the turtle will actually move in the turtleism node. We'll just wait for some time. So now you can see here the turtleism node has started getting the message and turtle is moving. So this way you can store the messages of a particular node and then play that message after some time. Okay, so this was our tutorial related to ROS bagfile. So this is our last tutorial related to ROS tutorial series, and after that there will be a very interesting series which is ROS autonomous navigation, and we'll look about the ROS navigation stack in that series. So hope you like this video, and stay tuned for our next tutorial series which is ROS navigation stack. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel.